Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to set a vacation savings goal in Digit. Are you planning a trip? Well, Digit can help you to save for that dream vacation automatically. Let me show you what to do. So first step, open the Digit app and go to the savings goal section. Once you're there, tap create a new goal. Give it a fun name like Italy trip or beach getaway, Miami vacation, whatever it is. Just go ahead and set the name. Next, you're going to enter the total amount that you want to save. For example, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, whatever it is. But once you've set that, you're going to set your target date, say 6 months from now. And once that's done, Digit will calculate exactly how much it needs to save daily to hit that goal. Step 4, choose your saving style. Now you can let Digits to automate it, or you can choose to manually add extra whatever you want. Step 5, you'll see a visual tracker that shows your progress. It's motivating to watch vacation funds grow. A bonus tip is if your travel plans change, you can adjust the amount or deadline anytime. Digit makes saving for a vacation simple so you can focus on planning the fun. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart money tips and ring that notification bell so you never miss another video in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.